Hello, welcome to STA 301 Applied Statistics. I want to take a few minutes to give you a tour to our Canvas course site. Here is our homepage. If you scroll down homepage, you will see instructor information. I have posted links for each module. For example, if you click module 1, then you will see all the files for this module, such as module learning objectives, PowerPoint slide, a quiz, and assignment. Similarly, the most recent assignments and quizzes will show up under the coming up list, such as module 1 assignment, module 2 assignments, quiz 1, quiz 2, and so forth. That's pretty much wrap up our Canvas course store. If you have any difficulties finding anything or have any questions, please do not hesitate to contact me. I'm looking forward to a very successful semester. Thanks for watching.